Mayo, but not a lot of gin.
Put a little bit on the end of your pasty and
Yeah,
try
go
it.
on then. Yeah. Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Might get a good taste.
Oh no, I just squished it.
It's alright. It's good.
It's good.
I'll try not to make a face.
Here we go. Gin mayo.
Definitely taste gin.
Yeah?
That's very interesting.
Gin mayo.
Okay.
Do I need a tonic afterwards?
It's nice. I'm not sure I can taste gin.
Nice on seafood.
Yes, it's designed to go on seafood actually.
And it's better than Thousand Island.
She had a night out. Got a taste of gin in it. Gin mayo. Oh dear.
Let me know what you think.
If I'm honest, it tastes like seafood cocktail. It's really nice.
Yeah?
Nice.
What would you put that on?
I'd put that on anything. And where can I buy it?
You can buy it from the Present Finder.
Oh my god. That's nice. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Yeah, that would totally go on seafood. That's lovely.
Yeah.
I would eat that. I'm
Good.
sure she would too.
And a little bit.
Yeah.
Thank you. For my genuine friends, I think that would be a good Christmas present.
Excellent.
It's not bad, but I wouldn't run a mile for it.
No, I'm not today, thank
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine
You're
today.
driving.
Yeah.